Today we're going to show you how to change out the transmission oil on any model year of Yamaha PW50. It's something that's really easy to do, and it's going to help prevent premature wear on your transmission. This should take you less than 10 minutes, and your service interval for this, if you have a brand new one, is going to be after 1 month of use. Then you're going to do it again at 6 months. But for everybody else, you're going to do it once a year, and that's it. So again, simple to do. Let's jump into it. To get this done, you're going to need a 12mm socket. We also have rubber gloves, rags, and then we have this measuring cup from Tusk, as well as a funnel. For oil, we're using the Tusk transmission oil change kit. That comes with your choice of oil and a crush washer. You want to replace that every time you do this oil change. And if you need this stuff, you want to click the link in the description below. Now, over at the bike, we have our drain pan underneath. We're going to break the drain plug free using a 12mm socket, and we did warm up our engine. It's going to make the oil come out a little bit quicker. You want to keep track of that crush washer on the end of that bolt. And you can see this oil is pretty clean, but we're going to show you how to do the process anyway. And while it's draining, we're going to remove the oil fill cap and clean it up. Going to remove that old crush washer and clean up the drain plug as well. I'm going to install the new crush washer onto the drain bolt. We'll thread that in and torque it to 10 foot-pounds. Then we can fill this back up with 300 milliliters of oil and then reinstall that oil fill cap. That's it for the transmission oil change on your PW50. If you have any questions about it, leave those down in the comments below. Again, you can pick up the oil change kit by clicking the link in our description. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.